Nishat has always been looking into new technologies, and we have been always looking into technologies where we are able to save energy and water. So with this technology, the first thing was that I felt that we will be able to save energy, which is basically the power and the gas, and make the dyeing process more sustainable, and of course reduce the carbon footprint. So that was where this triggered the whole and gave me the motivation to move into this technology. And I think we have been able to achieve what we wanted. So that's why I can proudly say that this technology really works in terms of reducing the carbon footprint, saving the power and the gas. Thank you.